Are you ready to elevate your cooking game with the power of advanced technology? The future of rice cooking is here, and it's embodied in the remarkable rice cooker with fuzzy logic Micom technology. Join me as we dive into the features that make this appliance an essential addition to any kitchen, promising perfect rice and so much more. If you're interested in learning more about the Cosori Rice Cooker Maker 18 functions, please click on the link in the description below. Fuzzy Logic Micom technology, a culinary revolution. Gone are the days of hit or miss rice cooking. Thanks to the innovative Fuzzy Logic Micom technology, this rice cooker harnesses the power of a computer chip to automatically adjust temperatures based on environmental factors like humidity and heat. Say goodbye to inconsistency and hello to perfectly cooked rice each and every time. Dual heating elements for flawless texture, soggy rice. Not on our watch. The top and bottom heating elements, equipped with temperature sensors, work together to reduce condensation that can lead to unwanted sogginess. Prepare to indulge in rice that boasts the ideal texture, every grain a testament to culinary excellence. A world of rice possibilities. Customize your experience, white rice enthusiasts, rejoice. Whether you prefer long grain like fragrant jasmine, medium, or grain varieties like sushi or sweet rice, or even sumptuous porridge, this rice cooker has you covered. Choose your preferred texture, soft, regular, or hard, and savor rice like never before. Embrace the nutritional delights of brown rice and grains. Brown rice lovers, your dream cooker awaits. Dive into a variety of brown rice options, long grain, medium or short grain, or hearty porridge. The customization continues with texture options, ensuring your brown rice is cooked to your exact preference. For the health conscious, discover the wonders of nutritious grains like quinoa, barley, and farro, ready to enrich your culinary repertoire. Beyond rice, a culinary adventure awaits. Prepare to unleash a world of flavors with 18 functions at your fingertips. From steaming vibrant vegetables and whipping up soul-soothing soups to sautéing delectable flavored rice, this appliance proves to be more than just a rice cooker. Effortlessly diversify your menu and bring variety to your table. Simplicity meets excellence. Effortless cooking at its finest. Cooking should be a joy, not a chore. The automatic 24-hour keep warm and delay timer functions ensure your rice is ready when you are. And with the quick cooking feature, you won't have to compromise on taste even when time is of the essence. Seamless design, efficiency and elegance combined. Incorporate culinary mastery into your daily routine without sacrificing kitchen space. The 5QT divided by 10 cup capacity strikes the perfect balance between accommodating family meals and maintaining a compact design. Recipe inspirations. A world of creativity awaits. Your journey with this rice cooker is guided by a free recipe book featuring 30 chef-created recipes. But that's not all. The VESync app offers a treasure trove of additional recipes, sparking your creativity and inspiring your culinary exploits. The future of culinary innovation is here. Step into a world where precision meets ease, where technology enhances taste, and where cooking becomes a culinary adventure. With the rice cooker with Fuzzy Logic Micom technology, your kitchen evolves, your meals flourish, and every bite transports you to a realm of culinary excellence. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.